Joining us this morning, Bespoke Investment Group co-founder Paul Hickey with us a few days ago, Paul, and we talked about some overbought conditions. Is this a nice little reversion to that, or is it something more?
Yeah, no, I think, Carl, you're exactly right. When we talked last week, we brought up the fact that the S&P was trading at short-term overbought levels for over 5 weeks, NASDAQ for over 8 weeks. So, and couple that with the fact that we've seen sentiment really improve. This week, American Association of Individual Investors hit a 52-week high. It's still under 50%, but it hit a 52-week high. So this is a little bit, I think, of keeping investors honest here. But when you take a step back, and as we talked last week, you don't get these extended streaks of overbought conditions during bear markets. They tend to occur during bull markets, and just as markets can't go up forever, you see a little bit of profit taking. Right now, we're less than 2% from the high in the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. So it's definitely a weak day today, and followed by the weakness yesterday. But overall, I mean, I think it's, you do see pullbacks even during bull markets.
Does the yield curve, or does the 10-year yield specifically, does that make this look like maybe it's not just a pullback, that maybe going above 4%, maybe the 2-year yield going to levels not seen since '07, maybe those things are weighing on stocks and will make it more than just a pullback short term?
Well, I think in the short term, there's a little bit of shock value. The 10-year yield is above 4%, and the 2-year yield is above 5%, Melissa, as you noted, for the first time since early March. That was concerning in early March, too, and we did see a little bit of a pullback, but we ended up going on to make new highs. So in that respect, I think short-term psychologically, it's a period of, a period of concern, when you see these round levels get reached. But, again, we'll have to see where this plays out from here. But overall, I wouldn't I wouldn't say today's move marks the end of the move that we've seen in equities for the last 3 months.
Remind me, Paul, you guys had a piece out a few days ago looking at streaks without a 3% drawdown. How long has it been? And I mean, do things get a lot more interesting if we in fact get it?
I think I don't. Forgive me, I don't have that right at the top of my head right now. But so I would say, going back, couple that with the point about that I was just bringing about overbought conditions. You tend to see these periods where you don't have an extended pullback. That happens during good market environments, not bear market environments. So, I think that's something to take a step back and look at in perspective. And just going to the ADP, that seemed to raise a lot of concerns this morning. You go back to June 2021 and January 2022, ADP beat estimates by 300,000 both of those months.